This is a short video to fix your device if it is missing important security and quality fixes and errors in Windows Update. So these fixes will help you solve the issue and recover important missing security files. So the first step is to go to the settings, and from here just go to the Windows Update and see if you have any update pending. If you have any update pending, you have to complete the update. Here you can, in this case, you can see that I have the update pending, so you have to download and install it. So you have to do that and see if your important security files missing is solved or not. So that is the first solution. The second one is you have to go to the start menu and then go and type in the search troubleshoot settings. Just click on that. Now from here just go to the other troubleshooters and just run Windows Update. So it will start detecting for the problems. So it will initialize the recovery process and it will check your registry for the problems and try to resolve it. So once that is done, you are good to go and your PC will solve the issues which relate to the important security missing files. So thanks for watching this short video. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.